Dear students, in previous video we study about number system in part 1. There we study about different types of number which collected from number line, and in this video we are going to study about decimal expansion of real number. As we know that real number, it means all rational number and irrational number collectively called real number. So here we are going to study about decimal expansion of real number. First, decimal expansion of rational number, then we study about decimal expansion of irrational number. Okay, now let's start. Here, first, decimal expansion of rational number. Suppose that if we have three different rational number such as 5 by 8, 1 by 3 and 1 by 7, we want to find their decimal expansion. For this we have to divide it. If we divide 5 by 8, then we find out it's after dividing we have a quotient 0.625. okay, and in this whole process we find out remainder 2, 4, 2 and 4, and here if you want to divide 1 by 3, then we get as a quotient 0.333. it means here 3 is start to repeat it. Okay, and here we find remainder in all case 1, 1 and 1, and here in 1 by 7 we are going to divide it, then we find out as a quotient 0.142857 and then 1. Okay, and in the form of remainder we have 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1 and again 3. Okay, here in this all changing in decimal expansion of rational number, we find out some different conclusion. First different conclusion is when the remainder becomes 0. Okay, when remainder becomes 0. Okay, first we have remainder become 0. Okay, in first case remainder becomes 0. Here we after finding divide in a decimal terms, we find out here decimal in this whole case remainder becomes 0. It means here first terms we find remainder 2, here we have remainder 2, then we have remainder 4, and at last we have remainder 0. Okay, so if any case of decimal expansion of rational number, if we find remainder as a 0, then it's called terminating rational number. Okay, in case of rational number, after changing in decimal form, if we find out remainder as a 0, then these types of decimal expansion of rational number called terminating decimal expansion of real rational number. Okay, so these types of decimal expansion is called terminating. Why? Because it's terminated after some time. Okay, after some time it's terminated. It means 5 by 8 divided, then we find out 0.625 and it's terminated completely. So it's terminated. In the case of this remainder become 0, if remainder do not become 0, then we have two cases. If remainder do not becomes 0, in one case we find out if remainder not become 0, then it's start to repeat digit. So this types of expansion of a decimal is called non-terminating recurring decimal. What called is non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating recurring decimal is also repeating. Here we find out remainder, it start to repeat 1, 1 and 1 in this case. Okay, so this is called non-terminating recurring decimal. In this third case, we have 1 by 7 and you want to find its decimal expansion. Then in case we find out here after divide, we find out 0.14285 in case of in form of quotient. Okay, here we have remainder. In first case is a 3, then 2, then 6, then 4, and after 4 we have 5, then 1, and again we got 3. Here after 1 and 3 they start to repeat. Okay, it start to repeat. So these types of decimal expansion is also called non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal, and this all things represent decimal expansion of rational number. Okay, suppose that how we can represent this. We can represent 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3 and its bar. Okay, otherwise if you not want to write down in form of bar, so we have to represent it by dot dot. It's also indicate it digit 3 is repeated. Here 1 by 7. Okay, 1 by 7 we have 1.14285 and 7. Okay, then we have to apply bar on above this all digit. It's indicate that this all digit repeated. Okay, so in this case we find out two types of repeating decimal. Okay, one is a pure repeating decimal and second is impure repeating decimal. Okay, why? Here we have pure recurring decimal and mixed recurring decimal. Okay, pure recurring decimal, what is indicate pure recurring decimal? It's indicate that in a decimal expansion of real number, all digits start to repeat. Here such a 3 digit start to repeat. Here 0.14285 this, in this case whole list digits repeat. So this both are examples of pure recurring decimal. Okay, but here is also mixed recurring decimal. How we represent it in a mixed recurring decimal? In mixed recurring decimal, represent that in decimal expansion some digit not repeat, and after decimal some digits start to repeat. Such for examples, here if we have 0.192, suppose that, and if 92 repeat, then it's called mixed recurring decimal. Why? Because here 1 is not repeat. Okay, now if other terms we have 3 to 5, here 2 5 is repeat, then it's also called mixed recurring decimal. Why? Because here 3 is not repeat, but after 3 2 digits is repeating. Okay, so this is a pure recurring decimal and it's a mixed recurring decimal. Now here we are going to study about decimal expansion of irrational number. Okay, suppose that in previous video in part 1 we are study about under root 2 is a irrational number, and here under root 3 is also irrational number. If you want to find value of under root 2, then by finding of their square root, we find out after 1.4142135. Okay, and it's neither repeated nor terminate. Here if you want to find a square root of 3, then here you also find out 1.732050 and so on, and it's also neither repeated and nor terminated. Okay, so it's clear that in decimal expansion of irrational number, it is non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansion. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansion. It's a non-terminating non-recurring decimal expansion of irrational number. Okay, so it's clear that if you want to write irrational number in form of p by q, then it's not possible to write down in form of p by q. Okay, So it's called non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion. In other words, we also call if a decimal expansion of any number is non-terminating, non-recurring, then that number is irrational number. If any number their decimal expansion is terminating, then that called rational number. If a decimal expansion of any number is non-terminating, recurring, then it's called also rational number. And we can write down that number in form of p by q, but here we cannot be able to write down in form of p by q, so it's a irrational number. Okay, so in this class we study about decimal expansion of rational number and irrational number, also types of rational number like pure recurring, mixed recurring decimal expansion of rational number, and irrational number, that is non-terminating and non-recurring. In next class we will study about how will we write down terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal expansion of rational number in form of p by q. There we can study about some short trick. By applying that trick we are able to write down any number within 10 seconds in form of p by q. Okay, thank you. President.